What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Celestine Chukwemeka. So on this video we'll be learning how to change video background, but before that, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the notification icon so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. You can also follow me on Instagram at Ezebeze1. I'm always active on Instagram. Follow me there and I will follow you back immediately. So without wasting much of your time, let's go into the video. So all you need to do is head over to PowerDirector and select new project. You select the resolution of your video. The normal YouTube video is actually 16:9. But if you want to post like for Facebook story and Instagram stories, you choose 9:16. But for this tutorial we are going to use 16:9. So once you select 16:9, you press OK. Make sure the resolution is on 16:9. Yeah, so you press OK. Once you select OK, it will show up this place. This is where you have to put in the background of the video, the background that you want to use. So for this tutorial I'm going to use picture as my background. So just select this picture icon here and go find the picture that I find my preferable picture. Okay, let's try this one. Once the picture is added, you can extend the resolution. That is the time of the video that you are posting. So once you have selected the background, all you have to do is to add the video that you want to change the background as an overlay. And by doing that, you click here, then click on video, then find the video that you want to change the background. So this is the particular video that we are going to change the background. Let's play the video first and see how it looks like. So this is the video. We are going to change the background of the video to that picture that we just added now. So once you add the video, then you tick the video, you select the video, you extend it to the resolution of your choice. Then you click on this pencil icon at the left here. Once you click the pencil icon, select chroma key. Here on chroma key, you first tick on this pencil icon. Once you tick on the pencil icon, bring this one here, then click here again and extend the color range. Extend this one also and click play. As you can see, the green background has removed. Let's play the video again, and you can also duplicate the video. So guys, that's it. Thanks so much for watching to the end, and make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment and smash the like button. See you on the next video.